Hi, this is Sprocket exploring the kitchen. Hello Sprocket, I'm going to explore the kitchen. What's this? A phone. Beep beep. Oh, I can't be bothered to listen to this stupid damn thing. One leap of faith. A pencil. Interesting. Tap. Whap. Ooh, dirty. Bow. Holy cow. This is a saucepan. Mugs. Let's go. Whoa. Kettle. Awesome. I've never explored a kitchen before. Spider-Man, Spider Sprocket, Spider Sprocket, Spider Sprocket does. There's the oven. I'm in the oven. Hello. I'm a weird Sprocket who likes microwaves. Okay, let's carry on. There's the fridge. So yeah, here's my computer, which this video is going on. Awesome. Here's my outline. Goodbye.